Not recommended measures, that is, wash saline cleaning. Do not wash the wound with a soap or any other solution. Sterile dressing not to apply. Local incision do not give. Do not give local incision. Mechanical suction or mouth suction do not do. Topical installation or application of chemicals, herbs or ice packs do not apply. Electric current do not give. Food or drink do not give food or drink, especially avoid alcohol. But small sips of water are acceptable if there is a great delay in the victim being transported to hospital. Tourniquet and lympho-occlusive bandages should be avoided. Pressure immobilization technique or Sutherland wrap. Pressure immobilization technique or Sutherland wrap. It is not recommended nowadays because there is a high risk of high risk of compression and subsequent gangrene with a tight wrapping. It may lead to greater local tissue damage, loss of function of the limb, or even amputation. It still may be used only when it is confirmed that it is a neurotoxic snake bite. Okay. If it is a neurotoxic snake bite. If it is a neurotoxic snake bite where local tissue damage is less or the rescuer is skilled in pressure immobilization technique. Okay. Technique entire limb is wrapped immediately within a bandage, for example, crepe or elastic bandage, 4.5 meter long and 10 centimeter wide, and then immobilized to restrict lymphatic drainage, thus to delay systemic absorption of venom, especially neurotoxic venom. The bandage is found firmly around the entire bitten limb, starting distally around the fingers or toes and moving proximally. Wrap pressure should be 40 to 70 millimeter mercury for upper extremity, 55 to 70 millimeter mercury for lower extremity. The limb is then immobilized by a splint. The bandage is bound as tightly as for a sprained ankle, but not so tightly that the peripheral pulse, radial, posterior, tibial, dorsalis pedis is occluded, or that a finger cannot easily be slipped between its layers in case this technique is used. Ideally, compression bandage should not be released. Compression band should not be released until the patient is in hospital. Resuscitation facilities are available and antivenom treatment has been started. Reason: the sudden release of pressure may cause two things. It releases large amount of venom in bloodstream in a very short time, which may suddenly deteriorate the condition of the patient. It releases deoxygenated blood and many harmful metabolites into the circulation, and which leads to severe metabolic acidosis, vasodilation, and a profound hypotension, which can cause a sudden cardiac arrest. In case the patient present with a tourniquet applied elsewhere, then look for distal pulses. If distal pulses are present, then avoid removing the tourniquet until ASV has been administered. If the distal pulses are absent, remove tourniquet immediately with a gradual release of pressure. Thank you.